Saturday morning to my Priceless Pearl family, and welcome back or welcome to the channel on today. You know, here I share my love of home decor, cooking, cleaning vlogs, and shopping hauls. So on this early Saturday morning, I'm sharing some laundry motivation. I thought you could use this, my Priceless family. Now listen, I shot this video a couple of days ago and I was thinking my family might need this after the long holiday and in and out doing different things. Laundry may have piled up, and I don't mind washing. I don't mind that washing process. But something about that folding gets me every time. So, for a quick folding motivation, come on, get that laundry out of the dryer and let's fold together.
Don't give in, never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done yet, he's got a plan. Watch him rain down, got a miracle. Watch him rain down, got a miracle. I can see the strength inside you. Child, you're putting up a fight. Oh, you're stronger than you think you are. Yeah, you're gonna be alright. You're accepted, loved, and valued. Beautiful, you're shining bright. Yeah, you're living, breathing, moving. You can hold your head up high. Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done yet, he's got a plan. Want some rain down, the God of miracle. Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done, life is worth living.
Remember, videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkle in between for your viewing pleasure. So later on this afternoon, I'm on to the second load of laundry. I'm determined to get all of my laundry folded in one day. Are you still folding along with me or watching? Well, you know what? A little bird told me laundry will not fold itself. So come on, let's fold together. I look forward to seeing you on next week. That's right. Here on the channel, I'll be doing some deep cleaning and resetting another room in my home. And I'll also be back in my Priceless Pearl Life kitchen. And you don't want to miss any of that. So make sure if you're new, you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload of the Priceless Pearl Life. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel to see what I'm doing here on the Johnson Ranch. And I hope that this short, quick video serves as great motivation on today to get the laundry done.